Did you know many people are having trouble with printer error codes? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Restart printer. Turn off the printer, unplug it, check for obstructions in the paper path or cartridges, then reconnect and power it back on. Step 2. Test CD drive. Insert the setup CD-ROM into your computer. Ensure your CD drive is working by testing it with another CD. Step 3. Open setup file. If the setup doesn't start automatically, manually open Setup.exe from the CD's driver folder. Step 4. Restart computer. Restart your computer and try running the setup again from the CD. Step 5. Download drivers. If setup issues persist, download the printer drivers directly from Canon's official website. Following these steps, your Canon PIXMA TS8051 should be set up correctly and ready for use. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Canon users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.